Today, we're diving into the AudioQuest Cinnamon RJ Ethernet HD audio cable, a marvel in modern digital media transmission. In an era where digital content flows seamlessly between devices, this Cat7 Ethernet cable stands out with its solid 1.25% silver conductors. These not only eliminate strand interaction distortion, but also significantly reduce jitter, ensuring clearer, more dynamic sound quality. The choice of solid silver-plated conductors enhances high-frequency signal transmission, ideal for Ethernet audio applications where precision is paramount. Audio fidelity is further bolstered by the solid high-density polyethylene insulation, which maintains critical signal pair geometry and minimizes phase distortion. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the connectors boast gold-plated nickel terminations with 100% shield coverage, guarding against RF noise and ensuring reliable performance. Directionality is another key feature, as indicated by arrows on the connectors, optimizing the flow of music from source to destination. Whether you're streaming music from an NAS to a network player or ensuring high-speed data transfer from router to device, the AudioQuest Cinnamon RJ Ethernet cable delivers on its promise of superior sound quality and data integrity. It's not just a cable. It's an investment in enhancing your audio experience with precision-engineered technology designed to meet the demands of today's digital landscape.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.